What's up, YouTube? Mindset is everything. Walk in with that Auric Orbiter like you got a truck mount. Trust me, it's all about mindset. Here you go. This is the mighty ECO 14 Pro Lite. Doing all the common areas in this building. We got over, about 16,000 square foot to do today. And I figured I'd post a few pictures of what we're doing. I got my beautiful wife working with me today. We're doing all the common areas, which include all these viscose rugs. And we do have offices that have the same kind of rugs that we'll be going in and out of. We have a gym, a theater, we have a computer room, a conference room, and all kinds of stuff. And here, my wife is vacuuming this particular viscose. If you know viscose, it can shed like crazy. And it did shed quite a bit. These are your typical hallways. They are pretty long, all the way wrap around, and then they're each have all these little doorway entries. The management put out a notice that we would be cleaning today and tomorrow, and to please pick up your mats and anything that you have outside your door so that we're able to clean those entries as well and avoid any possible damage. So here I go. I'm just going to go up just like mowing the grass. You could move this thing with just 2 fingers. That's how easy it is. And I am using the 3M pads today on this. And I'll tell you what, the Green Dragon just absolutely blew it away. It's the end of the day. I have just the second floor to do. So I did all the other floors. I left the second floor because it has the gym, the computer room. So tomorrow morning I'll wake up and knock that out. The last time we did this one, we used Simple End Cap and Awesome End Cap as well. And it did a wonderful job. You can see the carpets are still in really good shape. There was no residue buildup or anything like that. Fantastic. But I will tell you, my goodness, the Green Dragon, just one stroke, no joke. Everything was just coming out. Everything, just absolutely incredible. Look at those pads. Both sides. I got plenty of pads to knock the job out, so that's not a problem. And 3 of the gallon sprayers. Got my work sprayer. I was going to shower feed, but I don't have the tank on the Mighty, so I'm not able to do that. So I just had my wife go in front of me and pre-spray all the way down to the end of the hall, and then I just come along. So there you go. Appreciate you joining me for a quick episode. I'll catch up with you guys in the next one.